What's up, everybody? Wire Time 89 here. This is my second video on my new 38 special revolver 5-shot bodyguard series. So hopefully you can see it a little better in this video. It's got the laser. It has it pulsing. So just standard and pulsing, which is kind of a pain because you gotta switch through to pick your favorite one. These are two different bullets I have. These are critical defense, and then these are blazer brass. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe to my channel.